Who is Team Vilensky is what you're probably asking yourself. In this video, I'll share with you who we are, what we do, and why do we do what we do so well. So first of all, becoming a team doesn't necessarily mean you have more salespeople working with you or underneath you. It's all about the contacts that you have as a team. We are in real estate. It is our job to either maximize the amount of money we can for our sellers or to get the best deal we can do for our buyers. But without the team, you will not be able to achieve those results. What do I mean by that? When you're selling a home, you need to make sure that you can bring a painter, a hardwood company, a plumber, any trade that can help your seller exceed when it comes to selling their home. On the buyer end, you need to make sure that you have a mortgage professional, an insurance, any of the trades that will help you when it comes to the buying of the home and doing any of the repairs. Because at the end of the day, you're buying real estate, it's a home. And you need to make sure that the contacts that you have are very important. So to me, when I had this idea starting up a company and just calling it Team Vilensky, it wasn't for me to have more salespeople working with me. No, it wasn't. It was about establishing a team, a family feel like that when you're buying or selling, you have every single contact, you have a full support to exceed your selling or buying. So what does that mean for me? To me, it simply means that I need to focus on you to make sure that I maximize. And if you are having a dream home that you want to move to, it is my responsibility to make sure that I help you with this dream, that I achieve that dream with you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. You know how to do it, right? Just type a message. I'm always here for you. Yes, Team Vilensky is myself, my wife, Samantha, who is my client manager, and a few others who are together. We have one mission, is to help you exceed with your real estate needs. Now that you have enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe below and you press that bell button so that you can always get a notification of a video. And remember this, we're posting brand new video every single Tuesday and Saturday. That's 2 videos a week. Stay tuned for the next one.